Hello ladies, welcome back to video 13 of the garden journal we're making in our project. Today I'm going to show you how I made these two little envelopes for the blue page. Now you won't necessarily have a blue page, your page could be any colour at all. It's from your stash. I couldn't give you this page because I got it from a kit that I bought in a shop, unusually over here, and it was part of my Japanese journal, so I can't copy it, but I'm sure you've got a similar page in maybe a different colour of your own. So I've put a template in files that you can use for the piece of paper that you need to make it, and it's very simple, just looks like this. Yours will have a white middle, like so. Mine has a blue middle because I printed it on both sides. You're going to stick this side down anyway, like so. And it's just a little pocket for putting some ephemera in. That's one piece. And you can obviously adapt this if you have a larger piece of ephemera that you wanted to put in it. So instead of making the pocket and then finding ephemera to fit in it, you could find the ephemera first and then adapt your own pocket, because it's very simple shape. And so having made the shape, you then find the middle, and if you can see I've just put a little pencil spot there, and then it's a matter of just folding the sides into the middle, and there you have it. Now I've put some pretty lace on mine. Used a different lace in the journal. This is the lace that I found today when I was making this one. So you'll need some of that. And the cotton lace is very nice. This one was gifted to me, so I'm going to use it. And I've already cut it to the size that I need. On this one, I'm going to put a little bit of lace in the middle here and down the front. But you could also do without the lace at the top and put a little tab on here, and then the tab would be the decoration. So let's stick some of the lace down now. Very pretty, this lace, little hearts on it. Lovely, isn't it? So it won't take a lot of glue because it's very light. And then I'm going to put some of the sticky tape along the bottom here. It really is worth investing in one of these. Much more economical than using the little ones because they're forever running out and getting stuck. I know it's a little bit expensive to start with, but once you've got it, you've got it. And then I'll just stick that down like so. Now we need a flower to go on the front. I've got these flowers on a roll, which are ideal. And because they're the same, they look nice on the page. And there it is. I think that one would look nice with a tab, even though I've already put the lace on. But this one is a bit longer, so it didn't need it. And then all you have to do is find a page to stick them on. I'm not sure if I've got a spare page now, but I'll have a look. That's the last signature. That's the middle one that I'm going to put the vegetable bits on. So let's see. That's my seed packet folder. It would go on there, wouldn't it? I could put it on there. Mustn't get too near that candle. Let's move the candle a bit. But I'll keep looking. It would look nice there on that page. So leave that there for a minute in case I find something better. And then of course there's that envelope which I could decorate more. And that's a pink page, but I'm not sure about that. I suppose it would look nice there. Picks up the pink from the flower, doesn't it? So do you think? That page or that page? Let me know in the comments. The pink page or the patterned page? I know which I prefer. Let's see if you agree with me. Leave me a comment. I've been adding some things to my centre signature, which is going to be for vegetables. That's optional. I didn't include that in the project. But if you wanted to do that as well, I will add a link below to the kit that you could get from the same person that did these lovely pages. She also does a vegetable kit. And so in the middle section, I've been adding some markers, just the same as you would in your garden. Pop it in the ground so you know what you've sown, because it's easy to forget, it really is. So I had these lollipop sticks and I'm using those, and I've just got one more to do because I'm sure you don't want to watch me doing all of them. And I'm still using this same pot of glue, which every time I use it I think, my goodness, I won't get any more out of this, and then I do. So I've been doing it every 3 pages. 1, 2, 3, and we'll make that one the last one, I think, because I don't like putting it over those cut edges very much. So let's have a look. This one will go, I think, there. And then there'll be some more to add in the meantime, so if I can get the glue to come to the bottom. It feels empty every time, and then when I turn it up that way, then I see I've still got ½ an inch left. No, I think that one's had it. So let's get the other one. I'm forever having to fiddle about with these glues. And I've lost my stick. Where is it? There it is. So I'm going to put it on this end. I had to leave each one to dry for a little while because I didn't want it to stick the 2 pages together. And that's the kind of thing that you do it wrong before you do it right, isn't it? So we'll start it off with potatoes. Luckily this glue does dry rather quickly. And so that will help me to find my notes when I come to put the notes in. There we are, so that's my middle section, which I think looks rather nice with the leaves. Stick it out. And I also made a little title to put on the spine. So that will go there. And I've put it in polythene to protect it because I used the StazOn ink to do the stamping. And if I now use the Mod Podge on it, I think it will run. So I thought, well, it doesn't matter. Rather than put it in the recycle, I'm going to stitch around it to make sure it stays on. And I'm going to put it onto a piece of Hessian, and then I will stick it on the side there. So So I'll come back and show you how that turned out in a little while. So that's the end of video 13, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you a few ideas for making those little pockets. Until the next video, I'll say goodbye, and it's not too late to join in with this project. I think it's coming along nicely. What do you think?